So you've created this transparent image in Adobe Photoshop and now you want to save it as a PNG file. Well, in order to do this, all you have to do is go to File and then go to Save a Copy. From here, you'll get the option to either save it to your Creative Cloud or you can choose to save it on your desktop computer. Once the Save a Copy window opens, all you have to do is name your file and then also change the format from Photoshop to PNG. Next, press Save. And then lastly, Photoshop gives you the option to change the format options of your PNG file. So here, depending on what your priority is, you can either choose a large file size, which will mean Photoshop can save it quicker because there's less compression. However, if you want to choose a smaller file size, perhaps you want to optimize the file size of your PNG if you're uploading to a website, in which case this third option would be best for you. However, it will take Photoshop longer to create the file. And once you've chosen the correct option for you, all you have to do is press OK. And now Photoshop has saved your PNG file in your chosen location. If you'd rather save your file as a PDF, then do check out the video on the right-hand side of the end screen.